Alright, so we are in lab 6.5.15 and we're going to troubleshoot DNS record. So you are the administrator for the CompNet, the local domain. The CompDC and CompDC3 servers are the DNS servers for the domain. You're responsible for CompDC, which resides in Building A. Some users report that they are unable to connect to contact the COP web server. So in this lab, your task is to have a list of things that we have to do in this lab. Alright, so don't forget that this is lab 6.5.15 and this is a TestOut Network plus lab. Alright, so in this lab, the tasks will include to test the connectivity to COP web using the ping command. We're going to ping copweb.copnet, the local ping 192.168.0.15, which is the IP address for COP web. We also create any DNS record needed to fix the problem using the following information. Host name is going to be COP web and IP address is going to be 192.168.0.15, and we're going to test the connectivity to COP web using the ping command. And we're going to ping copweb.copnet, the local, and we're going to ping 192.168.0.15, and we're going to answer question 2 also. Alright, so let us start up lab. So should in case let's see. Okay, so should in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video, and you'll be successful in this lab. So let's wait for this lab to load. Alright, so the lab has loaded successfully. Let us start up right away. Alright, so we'll go to COP server, select COP server, and let's maximize this. And from our tags, let's see, test the connectivity on COP web using the ping the COP web, the COP local, COPnet, the local, and let's see, ping 192.168.0.15. Alright, so we just go to start menu, start, and we go to Windows PowerShell. Now with Windows PowerShell, we are going to ping copweb.copnet.local, and we'll press enter. Okay, there's an error somewhere. Alright, so we just let's redo this. So ping COP web. Okay, we're pinging 192.168.0.15, and that is a successful ping. So let's see the questions we have. Why test the connectivity? Which ping command was successful, if any? So this is the one that is successful here. The first one we tried wasn't successful. So let's minimize this and continue working. Let's minimize this. So this is COP DC. We select COP DC, and we start up CompDC. So let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. And we go to tools. Under tools, we select DNS. Now DNS is selected. Let's maximize this. Let's go to CompDC and create any DNS record needed to fix the problem using the following information: COP web 192.168.0.15. Alright, so go to forward lookup. So CompTIA the local. So DNS record is needed. So new host. So CompTIA the web, COP web. So 192.168.0.15. and click add host. This is the information we entered right here. So let's click add host. So we click OK. Let's close this. Open Start menu on your Windows. Okay, no, not yet. We have a PowerShell running already, so no need to open a fresh one. So we just ping 192. Okay, COP web dot CompTIA dot local. Okay, so this ping is successful this time around. And let's ping 192.168.0.15. So this is successful also. So go ahead and answer the questions that follows. So ping. Okay. So we'll go ahead. We've answered all the questions needed here. So we'll go ahead and score lab. So should in case you find this video helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit.
Busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.